guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. As always, never plan shit right. So right now, I'm on the way to my boy Aaron's house. He's the only bought his trailers I can go drive with the boys tomorrow because we're doing testing for FinalBout at Horse Thief, so I need to be there like no matter what. Alright, so 3 hours later, we're still at Aaron's house because his car, as you can tell right here, you see that used to be a car. So the rest of the car is actually inside the trailer that I need to use.
Show them the fucking sparkles. That's all that matters.
Like all that work just to have a shitty engine in there.
It sucks.
But the sparkles though,
yep.
Right? The sparkles.
That's all that matters.
Thank you.
Just had dinner. Now we're about to head to the shop, load the car, get everything ready for tomorrow, and then wake up late because I don't like going to the track early. Just I don't have to drive as much because my car always breaks, so I might as well just enjoy it. The car is a Super Duty, is pulling like a boss. Like nothing is behind it. This thing is on the trailer. It's looking really sick. Fuck yeah, thanks Aaron. Alright, so woke up a little late. About to head that way right now. Already loaded up. Got the race guys in the back of the truck and the spare wheels in here. So it's about an hour and a half to get to Willow Springs. And then we can start bullshitting with the car and maybe driving it. Because it still has no power steering. I need to get a pulley, so I'm gonna hit someone else, see if they can bring me a pulley to the track. If not, then I guess I'm just driving without power steering, which is not that bad anyways.
What's up, man? Good. What are you guys here for?
Drift.
Drift?
Yep.
Alright.
So if you look to your left, that's balcony, and that's where I crashed Hert's car at. So we're gonna keep going past there. We're gonna go to the Horse Thief, which I never driven ever in my life. So we're just gonna send it. Gotta follow the horses. So we passed Tech and now we're about to go, I'm gonna go for a ride in Angel's car to see the track out first and then go from there. This guy. Hurry up, man.
Oh, is it mine? Oh shit, it's mine. Duh.
Yo, this is the first time in the car with Angel. We'll see how bad he sucks at driving. With a YouTube video, he looks pretty good, but we'll see in real life. No comment.
No comment. I'm good.
Better do a burnout. Burnout. Oh, this fucking guy. Fuck yeah, I'm gonna like this. It's fast. This track is fast.
Oh yeah. The man, the myth, the legend, always late as shit. Yeah, look at the time right here. Look at the time. It's like 10. It's like 1 o'clock. You're already eating food. John don't got tires.
It's lunchtime.
True.
It was lunchtime.
True. Hey, where's your FC at?
I was going to bring it.
Man, where's your FC at?
My FC?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm still waiting for you.
Dang it.
The car's gonna roll down.
I know.
Clapped out.
Sick.
Dang it. Payback! Damn, another one. But thankfully, I have a really sick tire sponsor, Andy. Andy took these off his wife's BMW given to me, right, Andy?
Yes, sir.
Now his wife's gonna get me mad at him, but I got tired. Huh?
I'm about to take it for a lap right now.
Alright.
You better get your helmet, I'll give you a ride along.
Alright.
Okay. Computer fuse. See, nothing getting no power, so that means we're not getting power to the computer. So we're broken down on the middle of the track. So we have to wait for them to tow us out and then basically figure out what the hell happened to the computer. I blew up my Dorito! Like it? Alright. Yeah, power. Quick. So the problem is, don't mind the rest of the shitty wiring. This is literally everything off the blue first gen, but when I wired it to this car, I literally just went off factory power. I basically need to fix this. This has been like, I had this for like 6 years, so I should definitely fix this wiring setup for this car, since this car, that's all it needs, is a nice wiring harness. But for now, it's running again. So now that it's running, I'm just gonna go back out, test it out, make sure everything's good, and then keep going until I have no tires.
Got the car loaded up. Gotta head back to Long Beach, unload, and then go back to Aaron's house and drop the trailer off, but not bad. I grenaded the side skirts, fucked up my bumper. Corner light's missing, front light's gone. Possibly bent something about to check, but as long as the car runs, I'll break everything else. So, transmission held. Just gonna go over the car one last time before final bout and make the last changes I need to, like power steering, the diff, and it should be good to go.